the green leaves, green leaves, green leaves. Here come the green leaves, green leaves, green leaves. Green is the symbol of life on earth. Green is the symbol of life on earth. Oh, son, you look so happy. Oh, son, you look so golden. She needs a lot sunshine. She needs a lot sunshine. Here come the pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Here come the pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Giving us the color orange, giving us the color orange. My heart is like a red, red rose. My heart is like a red, red rose. That's open to all around. That's open to all around. Oh, dears, she is so happy. Oh, dears, she is so happy. She got a color to shine. She got a color to shine. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. See with her eyes, listen with her ears. See with her eyes, listen with her ears. We wear rainbow every day. We wear rainbow every day. Make a rainbow in your life. Make a rainbow in your life. And a beautiful rainbow waiting for you. And a beautiful